Hello, my name is Phil Hunsinger from Bull Goose Shaving, and a lot of times customers will ask me what is the best way to clean a razor. And you can use a soft toothbrush with some toothpaste to clean it, but I think maybe a safer way and definitely less labor-intensive way is with an ultrasonic cleaner. I think I picked this up from Harbor Freight about 15 years ago, so they definitely last. And it does a good job. I use about 4 parts water, 1 part vinegar, and then just a splash of Dawn dishwashing liquid. Make sure that you take the razor apart. And so I've got really hard water, and as you can see, there is a soap scum residue on this. And the ultrasonic cleaner does a really, really good job. So make sure that you remove the blade, take it apart, put the different components in. I run it for about 8 minutes. So let's let this run, and we will take a look and see what it looks like in a little bit. Be right back. And we're back. Let's take a look and see how it looks. Yeah, see, the top cap that was full of soap scum is clean. Base plate is, and that's without even wiping it off. Does an amazingly good job. And the nice thing is while these are going, you can work on your computer, make yourself a sandwich, whatever. So it's, it's not very labor intensive. You just have to set some time aside. I also like using the ultrasonic cleaner for cleaning brushes, and as you can see, this one has got a fair amount of soap scum on it. With a brush, though, I only like to run it for about half the time that I do with a razor. You don't want to loosen the knot, and also if there's some engraving on the brush, you don't want to jar the paint off. But I find, generally 2 minutes or so in the ultrasonic cleaner, and then maybe let it soak in the vinegar and water solution for maybe 5 minutes more, and then rinse it off, and it's good to go. So let's see what this looks like. We'll be back in a couple minutes. All right, we're back. The brush had run for about 2 minutes in the ultrasonic cleaner. Normally I would let this soak a little bit longer, but you can see even after just 2 minutes the soap scum is gone. I am going to let it soak a little bit longer, and then I'm going to rinse it out. But again, so to recap, just 4 parts water rather, 1 part vinegar, splash of Dawn soap. For a razor, I like to put it on about an 8-minute cycle. Make sure you take the razor apart, remove the blade, put all the components in the basket, let it run, good to go. And with a shaving brush, I only like to let it run for about 2 minutes, and then if it still needs cleaning, I just let it soak in the solution. It's a great way to be able to multitask while this is running. You can get other things done. So anyway, people have asked, how do I clean razors and brushes? This is how. Thanks a lot. Again, this is Phil Hunsinger from Bull Goose Shaving Supplies.